Adema, a very, very quick one. I want one nine you okay. Roll on Amolumpieri. Obrunun get around January 2025, January this year. Onwere Olo bomb botor atro bomb na Amolumpieri. Here obrunila anyị ga-ahụcha ọnọcha na akwụkwọ akụkọ. Suspected bomb explosion rocks Igbo community, destroys building. CP sets up investigation team to probe Imo explosion. Explosion rocks Imo community. Yawolo 19 worker. Bomb explosion destroys building. House, other property destroyed as suspected bomb explosion rocks Imo community. A police confirmed bomb explosion in Imbieri. Mbitolu. Obolom Rohoro Kobunigwa Abadiri. Onye Wudo Bunigwa Badri Nimo Kuro. From BBC Igbo. Then channels, police confirmed Imo explosion begin probe. Leadership bomb explosion rocks Imo, destroys new house. It has been confirmed. Now this thing was carried out by security agencies. It was a wrong target. It was a wrong target because we carried out our own investigation and found out that the bombing of that house was a wrong target by the security agencies. And the government of Imo State has not done anything. Here, would this guy Tagidarahu Chichigo, we are roller. Sofagi the roller. Security agencies are target roller in a wrong move, in a wrong target, in a wrong target yana mbagugu, elende bakrone mega party, a mega traditional marriage, a bomb. Here where exactly what happened. I want to know that day, now more lumpieri. Madakarian. This guy now kwabala because of earlier like 2 weeks or so. Before because Jolo Aruchala Arucha Etichala Henile. Of course, Kanyana Wanya, Wabaziana Diolo. I thought that bomb. Amami I got a bembenje, which means over na kwabala kwaba. Hane won them around today. And probably Utaka government can issue chefu. Now, since then, today, government of Imo State has not thought it wise to compensate the owner of this building. This guy, Taraho, where? This guy, when you see this guy, you know that he is somebody that suffered from the scratch. Kukogego, Ganam, Zoala, Rolo. Oh, when you're east. Only if you just say, yes, or west. Only if you just say, what about a Rolo? Security agencies target all ya. Nashikwa na enwere nde hide ganga. Nashikwa na enwere onye sponsor ga this, onye sponsor ga that. Leolo empty house. Aka na arụ. Thank God na ndị na-arụ ụlọ aha ihu nga that day. Because asibu na ndị na-arụ nga na ehibu ha rụcha ike bụ ha no nga ihu then continue the next day. But that day they left. Security agencies atọ bomb. Gbarie ụlọ. Leolo gbarie. Come January 2025 ruo today. How many months now? And I met this guy pam. Ogala to CP. From CP, Ashiaga government house. From government house, Ashiaga Ebe. From Ebe, Ashiaga Ebe. Boronka, Bianca investigation. Emechala probe. Chop that in here. Wrong target from the security agencies. Ruota. Now, since you chop no wrong target from security agencies, Ruo now, what have you done? Ole you numerela. Ole you numerela. Mutakria no na tagaria no na gagaria aga prako kunye brain ya bravo. Ihu the guy he get marry ejigbo ebere. Ihu this young man he get marry ejigbo ebere. I am urging the Imo State governor, Senator Hope Uzodinma, to look into this matter urgently. I want to they well, but we want to na compensate earlier. But sir, this young man has not been compensated. This building that was raised to the ground was an innocent building standing, built by a struggling young man. And the government, security agencies raised it to the ground. Now suspecting, but at the end of the day, police confirmed, DSS confirmed that in here was wrong target. Now since lack of farm no wrong target, it is the hand. So because to roll them this video, go roll the governor of Imo State into. One of that young man compensate Enya. One of that young man compensate Enya. It is the right thing to do. It is the right thing to do. This one is not politics. Nka abro politics. I know the governor can do that. Imo State government can do that. Compensate that young man. Onwe go jirola ahụ nye ni ahụ. Ko bido la ahụ ishi. Compensate that young man. Owu nwa afọ Imo is an indigene of this state. Onyoru West. Nke state Imo Ibiasa Egbe. Very close to ụlọ governor. So the governor obrigodi na man compensate. One negi is your younger brother from the same local government, from the same nearest community. Arịrịọ ka anyị na-arịọ n'isi nwanne anyị nwoke ahụ. Biko nụ, compensate that young man. Ọ taala ahụ. Thank you very much.